needed more petrol on that.
A few more ladies for
That's a big fire. I mean, it's going to be even bigger.
You didn't eat it all. Yeah. Soak it up, mate. Stick it there. Nice, lovely fire with Joseph here.
Yeah.
I've got some more crab. Soaked in petrol. Wood in the old burner. Petrol drag. More wood. Oh my God.
Oh, in the garden.
Yeah, the old fire pit going.
You can turn around.
I don't know why those are. Yeah, I've got these big skillets.